everyone, welcome to Melda 242. If you're here for the first time, I am Melda. You are welcome and God bless you. So today, I'm preparing for my family oatmeal cookies with raisins. If you want to see how I achieve these, then I suggest you continue watching. Let's do it. Here are the ingredients. You're going to need a block of butter, some vanilla, of course the oatmeal, raisins, flour, this is all-purpose flour, white sugar, brown sugar, baking powder, baking soda, 2 eggs. Also, you're going to need the baking sheet. Let's get started. I have the butter here, so I'm going to mix butter up. This is 1/3 of a cup, so I'll be using 3 of these. Give a little scraping. Make sure I get all of that goodness incorporated. So I'm adding a tablespoon of vanilla. Okay, now you can use as many raisins as you want. But my family don't like raisins as much, so I'm just using 1 box. And this is 1 ounce. So I'm going to chop them small. They're not a raisin more like that. So. Out. Get rid of this. Okay, that should do it for the mixer. The raisins and the oats. The raisins, chopped raisins. Now you can add them in whole, but I cut them up because my family. So just cut them up. So they would have no other choice but to eat them. Take my time and just fold this in. After doing this, I'm going to stick it in the fridge, the freezer actually, for about 45 minutes to an hour, because you don't want to put it in the oven just like this. This is a lot of butter in this, and if you do, it's not going to bake properly. The butter is going to melt too quickly. So freeze it for about 45 minutes to an hour. You can make this overnight. Stick it in the fridge and good to go. Just real cookie dough. This is what you're looking for. I always wondered if they use the same cookie dough in cookie dough ice cream. Cookie dough ice cream, that's it. Because I thought you're not supposed to eat raw flour, but I guess, I don't know. Comment down below if you think it's the same thing, or if you know it's the same thing that they're using. The raw cookie dough. You know the ice cream that has the cookie dough in it? And that's the one my husband likes. Oh my word, anything that is sweet. Raw dough. Well, we'll see. So I'm going to transfer this into a smaller bowl. I'll use the same one. This one. Because this is smaller. All of that goodness. Look at that. It's the real thing. Plastic wrap. Stick this in the freezer for about 45 minutes. I'll come back to you when it's time to bake. Okay? Plastic wrap is on, so it's going to go into the freezer and it's going to sit there for about 45 minutes. We'll be back when it's time to bake it, okay? Dozen ready. I still have all of this left, so I'm going to put this back into the freezer until I'm finished, until these are finished baking. Plastic back on it, because you don't want it going soft on you. So put it back on. I'm going to rest this back in the freezer. Go into the oven immediately. I'm just going to leave half of this. Like I have a dozen more, so we have a dozen and a half. That's enough. So stick this in the oven. Thank you for watching. God bless you, and I'll see you in the next one.